Hello my Vietnamese friends. Today I'm making my first green juice. Okay guys, so as many of you know, I have decided to give up coffee and I'm slowly doing it, but as you can see my hands are pretty swollen and I really feel like I need to try to give up coffee to see if I can see more results. So I'm going to be making some green juice to still give me the energy that coffee gives me, but without all the acidity. And I'm going to be using celery and cucumber, which are very alkalizing, which is the opposite of acid. And so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I'm borrowing my mom's juice maker, so it might get a little loud, so we'll see. Let's see. Okay, well there it is. Let's see. It's actually pretty good. Alright guys, I encourage you to try that out and join me in giving up coffee. Cheers.